Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add text in it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now choose the photo that you want to add text to. Now to add the text, simply click on the share icon here. Now click on the gear icon beside share option. Now click on customize here and now select the text since we want to add text. Now change the text according to your preference. Just like this. Click here to save changes. You can also change the position of the text simply by clicking on these dots, just like this. And for color, you can choose black or white. Furthermore, you can also increase or decrease the opacity just like this from the slider. And once you're happy, go back and simply click here and export your photo. And once we export our photo, you can check our gallery. And just like this, we have added a text in our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.